Okay, Mr. Phobes here. I'm going to show you an alternative to the way that we've done this, just in terms of getting the parts. So we took the overall design and we converted it to lines, and we're going to send it to the laser cutter. And what we're going to do is it's going to cut the whole thing out. Now, here's another way you might want to do this, um, is cut them in individual pieces and then just paste them one on top of another, and then just paint the areas that they overlap. That's another way to do it. Well, we need to make sure we get them to the same size as the original design. So what I've done, I've brought in the three objects, I've image traced them, and then I set their opacities to about 60%. So what I want to do, I'll just do it with one of them and you'll kind of get it. So I'm going to select the, and you can see it's a little bit small. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the shift key and I'm going to just line it up. Doesn't have to be absolutely the same. It'll be, very close. That looks pretty darn good. So once I've got it, I'm going to drag it back up to this artboard. And you notice that I'm actually working on another layer. I've got the whole artboard in this. I've got this on uh, a layer number one, and I've got them locked. And then I'm actually doing these guys on layer number two. Okay, so I'm going to pause for a minute here, and just want to make sure that this is in the same orientation. It's about the same because this is obviously going to get cut off a little bit. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so what I've done here is you can see I wanted to make sure that I could get the whole thing on here, so I just rotated it. This is going to give me a few more options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have, you're going to see I'm going to set the laser cutting up for 4 pieces of artwork. So it's going to be the cat, the cross, the 9, and then this one. And then that's going to give me a couple of options. So, okay, I'll see you at the next video. I'm back sooner than I thought. One very important detail I forgot to mention was how to save these for the laser cutter. So one of the things we've got to do is we've got to convert these to red 255. So let's select all of them, open the color RGB, and all we're going to do is take the RGB slider and slide it all the way up to 255. Okay, that's good. And then let's select this one, and that was already at 255. Good. So now they're all good. I think I'm going to save all 4 of them just for the laser cutter. So I'm going to go to the artboard, and then I'm going to save them as Illustrator files. So you'll see there's kind of an odd order here. There's 1, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to say Illustrator file. Okay, and then I'm going to go Save, and then I'm going to go Replace because I want to save that. And I'm going to go Save each artboard, and then go Range, and then I'm going to go 1, 2. So actually, I could probably go 1, 2. Nope. 1, 2, 4, 5, and then go OK. There it goes. And then there they are right there, cat 9.1, cat 9.2, cat 9. These ones that are red are the ones that I'm going to load into the template. Okay, so now that's it.